Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I want to give the clear information regarding how to generate the C++ code using the existing class in the StarUML. Already in the previous videos we have seen how to generate the code in Java and how to generate the code in Python. Now we are going to generate the code in C++. Okay, so for this, we have to create one class that is called as fruit or whatever it is. Any class we can create, any class. For this fruit, I have added the attributes like color, size, and shape. And I have added the methods like get details and put details. Okay, what is the thing you are going to do is simply just click on this fruit and just select this. Okay, and now go to the tools menu. In the tools menu, go to the extension manager. In the extension manager, it is already showing what are the installed extensions. Already we have installed Python in our previous video, so that's why it is showing this one. Now I want to install the C++. So just search for C++ wherever it is available. C plus. See here C plus it is showing now C++ code generation, and just click on the install. After installation, it is again asking to reload. Just click on the reload. So the StarUML will be reloaded again, and open the recent open file, which one you want to open. Already you want to open the fruit, it is already there. Simply click on the fruit, you open this and select this particular fruit class and go to the tools menu. C++ is available here. Simply click on the generate code. Okay, and click on the model, click on the OK. Okay, and on the piece in this PC D drive, you select the code folder to create, and the file will be generated here. Simply select the folder. Okay, now it was created already. Now go to the D drive. In the D drive, model folder was already created. Just click on that, open it. Fruit is already opened. Okay, so CPP file is created, and as well as respective header file also created. Just open this. See, include fruit.h, fruit implementation, void fruit get details, void fruit put details. Okay, this is one file is open, and another file is this one is one another file, class fruit public. This is the class file created, and the previous one is the another file. Two files it has created. One is the h file, one is the cpp file. Okay, in the cpp file only it is showing the methods only, whereas in the h file it is showing the entire class. Okay, so like this, for the cpp two files get created. Okay, so you can generate the code like this in cpp using this particular class fruit. Okay, so we can generate xml, we can generate data definition language code also. So all these things we are going to see in our coming videos. Okay, if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all. Thank you.